They say kitchen is the heart of the home, but the table is where the soul lives. It's where we share the first cup of morning coffee, where we laugh our messy Sunday brunches, and where we exhale after a long day. But let's be honest, a bare table feels unfinished, a mass-produced plastic placements, they lack a story. Today I am taking you through a gallery of crochet table mat designs that do more than just protect wood. They create an atmosphere where you are a fellow maker looking for the inspiration or a shopper looking to elevate your space. These pieces are about to change how you look at your dining room. Stick with me because by the end of this video you will see exactly why handmade is the ultimate luxury for your home. First up, let's talk about the modern minimalism. We are seeing a huge shift toward quiet luxury in home decor. Think thick 100% cotton cords and chunky texture. They aren't just your grandma dollies. We are using monochromatic tones, sands, stories, and slates to create a look that fits perfectly in a high-end Shopify boutique or a created Etsy shop. The secret here is the stitch density by using a smaller hook with a thicker yarn. This mat provides a sturdy heat-resistant surface that looks like belongs in a 5-star Mediterranean villa. If you are selling these online, remember texture sells. Close-up photos of the ridges make the customer want to reach out the screen, touch them. Now the Dreamers, the boho chic aesthetic is a perennial bestseller on Etsy. These designs embraces the circle, the mandalas, use intricate lace patterns, combined with raw organic materials like jute and hemp gives the table an instantly earthy vibe, and don't forget the fringe. Adding a tassel or a brushed out fringe edge adds movement and sense of slow living. For the shop owners,